Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if and or function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use if and or function, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created this list. I have created two example for you so you can easily learn how to use if and or function. Here you will see first sheet this and second sheet is this, and the scenario is different in each table. Okay, so first I will show you how to use if and or function. So based on their mark, based on the mark of the student, I want that here pass and fail text appear. Okay, so for that you have to use a formula if and or equals to if then or. Okay, after bracket you have to type or, then it will ask for logic 1. So what is the logic 1? If this C3 means mark maths and maths mark is greater than 40, comma science mark is greater than 40, close, comma, then what happened? Inverted comma pass or fail. Means if both maths and science combined value is greater than 40. Okay, as you know here is 30 maths. In maths he has 38 marks, but in science is 48 marks, so he will fall in category of pass. Okay, otherwise he will fail. Okay, bracket close, enter, you will see he is passed, fail. So like this you can use this if and or function. Now I am going to show you in next example. So here you will see this is customer name, purchase amount, VIP status, and discount approved. So I want that if he is whether VIP status, he has VIP status, or he has the purchase amount is greater than 5,000, then discount is approved, otherwise discount is not approved. Okay, so you have to just use this formula if or, then logic 1 is if C3 is greater than 5,000, or comma, and VIP status is equal to, now you have to enter inverted comma, then you have to place yes, then inverted comma, yes, otherwise no, bracket close. So now as he has purchased, the purchase amount is greater than 500, so he has discount approved for him. Okay, so this I'm going to just copy this formula, and here you will see whether Aman has not purchased amount is 38, so not greater than 5,000, and he has not a VIP status, so discount approved is not. He will not get any discount. So like this you can use this if and or function. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.